Ọmú before. Oh. Tí mo ṣe máa fọ eyín fọ́mọ ni ẹ máa fa wọ́n fọ́mọ. Yóò máa fi ọmú ó máa fi fọ àwọn díẹ̀díẹ̀ ló máa kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ó máa kúrò. Kò tí ì tó stage kìíní.
Ayé máa bọ̀.
Ẹ fílẹ̀. Wá jókòó kó gba ọ̀run.
Gbé báàgì kalẹ̀.
Viewers, we are collecting sun because the sun is no sun since almost 1 month now. No sun. So everywhere is cold. Even inside our house is cold. The wall is cold. So that is why we are here. We are collecting small sun that appear. So
yes, so beautiful people. As you can see, this is Nigeria. Over a month now, we've been experiencing no sun issue. To wash clothes is a problem. To dry things is a problem. So the sun, and we need sun in our body for vitamin D. So this is why we are outside here trying to take some, absorb some sun for our bone. Evelyn.
Ara mi ti warm báyìí. Àbára yín ò warm.
And me too.
Atẹ́gùn yẹn ó pọ̀ o.
Mommy, see.
Even bí mo ṣe wà yìí gan mo ti ń sweat díẹ̀díẹ̀. Because kò dáa kéèyàn máa sweat o. It's not good for person not to sweat.
I'm going to house. I'll come back soon.
Ẹ̀rọ bẹ́ wọlé yóò gbọ́ wa padà. Everywhere is cold. Ọmọ yẹn ti ń wẹnu sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan.
Ọmọ lọ́rùn jà. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ mi lọ́wọ́ ni.
Ǹjẹ́ ní ẹ̀mọ́ mú.
Philip, come, let's play ball.
Rọ́bà máa ń gún yẹn.
Don't let it eat here.
Okay. Gbà lọ síbẹ̀. Àbí tán bá yín gbà lọ síbẹ̀.
Bring it.
They're playing with grass.
In fact, small son tó rọra wáyé.
It's very important.
Bóyá kó wà ní. What if àwa lọ sábúrò? Nígbà tá à ń complain báyìí, what if you go to abroad? Ó mi pé gbogbo sọ́tà lu ayé yìí la máa kó sí. Àbí ká ṣí aṣọ ká máa wọ gbogbo ẹ̀ léra wọn. Ó ga o. No easy o. Ẹ bó àgbo yẹn. Òun ló máa fi wẹ̀.
Wait. Oya, play.
Òtútù wà o. Philip ti mọ̀ bọ́ gbàgbé.
Philip, wait. I'm coming. The oven.
Ẹ̀rí lánàá gan sẹ̀, òtútù yẹn ó lágbára o. Aṣọ ta sá gan almost 1 week. Kò gbẹ. The sun is coming small. We even drive almost 1 week. Some clothes no.
Yes, so these clothes, some of them have been here for like
1 week.
a week now. In fact, today is like jackpot. The kind of sun we are seeing today. So we decided to come outside and relax. Yes, so see sun.
Better sun. They look your mommy.
Manila ló bá mọ́jà wá. Ó ti yó.
Ó ti dààmú.
Wọ́n ti gbóhùn. Wọ́n ti gbóhùn.
This come I not give baby. Give baby. You know what is now carry.
Ṣé jí owó ìwé ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ o?
Yes, this is the kind of sun
we need.
we've been. Hey, where has this sun been? Wow. Wait, are you sure we are not going to run?
Run, go away.
This one is like it's getting too much. Hey.
I like sun. You don't like sun. Come on. I'll be like this sun.
So thank you so much for watching. Bye. And please say bye.
Say bye.
Philip, you didn't say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right.